So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get free coins in Webtoon. So guys, if you want to get free coins in Webtoon, then this video is for you. So if you want to gain free coins by reading comics, then just go ahead and tap on Canvas right here. So guys, if you read 30 Canvas comics every Sunday, then you would be able to get free coins in Webtoon. So just click any Canvas Webtoon, and now if you read them, and not just one, you could read others too. It just has to be 30, and in that way you'd be able to get free coins in Webtoon. But if you want an easier method, just go to account and scroll down till you find this promotion code option. Tap on this enter your promotion code, scroll down, and now just go ahead and enter your promo code. If you have found a promo code for free coins from your Discord or with the help of your friends, then just go ahead and enter here and tap on apply. And in that way too, you'll be able to get free coins. So there are several ways you could do that. This is two of many. And there you go guys, that's how you get free coins in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.